Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Cryptohopper, one of the most popular crypto trading bots that lets you trade 24/7 without constantly watching the charts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this platform can help you automate trades, manage risk, and optimize your strategies with ease. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create an account, navigate the platform, and understand each feature step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your trading bot, configure strategies, and start automating your trades with confidence. So if you're ready to take your crypto trading to the next level, let's get started. First, click the link in the description to sign up for Cryptohopper for free. This will take you to the sign-up page, where you'll see a button that says Start Free Trial. Click on it to begin. After that, you'll be redirected to the account creation page. Here, you need to enter a username, your email address, and a password to create your account. If you want to move faster, you can also sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Once everything is filled in, click on Sign Up. After signing up, you'll land on the page that says Start Onboarding. This is Cryptohopper's guided setup process, and it includes several steps, such as entering your personal information, connecting an exchange, choosing a bot, configuring the bot settings, and finally starting your trading journey. You can skip this if you want, but I'll go through the full process so you know exactly how everything works. The first step is entering your personal information. Here, you'll fill in your full name, select your country of residence, and choose your country of origin. Once that's done, click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to choose a cryptocurrency exchange to connect with Cryptohopper. There are multiple exchanges available, including Binance, Coinbase Pro, KuCoin, Kraken, OKX, and many others. For this tutorial, I'll select OKX. After choosing your exchange, a next step is connecting it to Cryptohopper. This connection is done by creating an API key on your exchange account. The API key allows Cryptohopper to place trades on your behalf while keeping your funds secure. Cryptohopper provides clear step-by-step instructions for each exchange, so just follow along. To connect your exchange, you'll need to enter an API key, an API secret, and, in some cases, an API passcode. Once you've entered these details, click Connect. Your exchange is now linked, and Cryptohopper can start executing trades based on your bot settings. If you're not ready to connect a real exchange yet, you can switch to paper trading instead. Paper trading is a risk-free way to test Cryptohopper using virtual funds, so you can experiment without investing real money. To enable this, click on Switch to Paper Trading. A confirmation box will appear. Click Yes to confirm. Now, you need to select base currency. This is the currency your bot will use to trade. You can choose from options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and more. For this tutorial, I'll select USDT and then click Continue. Next, Cryptohopper will ask you to choose a bot type. There are different bot types designed for different trading styles, so you can explore these and select one that fits your approach. After that, you'll be prompted to choose a subscription plan. Cryptohopper offers several paid plans with advanced features, but if you just want to test the platform, you can skip this step by clicking Skip Subscription. Once that's done, you'll be redirected to the Cryptohopper dashboard. This dashboard is the control center of the platform, where you manage strategies, monitor trades, and adjust settings. The first step to making sure your bot works properly is configuring it, and that starts in the configuration panel. The configuration panel has four main sections: base config, config pools, signals, and triggers. Since base config is the foundation of your entire trading setup, we'll focus on that here. When you click on base config, a submenu opens with multiple sections. You can move between them freely without losing your changes, but make sure to save before exiting so everything is applied. At the top, you'll see an advanced toggle. Turning this on unlocks additional customization options, giving you more control over your strategy. You can also save your current settings as a template, which is useful if you want to test different setups while keeping a backup. For this tutorial, we're using paper trading mode, which simulates trades without using real money. This makes it the safest way to test your configuration. The first thing you'll do here is name your hopper. This helps when managing multiple bots. So for this example, we'll name it Tutorial Hopper. Next, you'll select the exchange. Since we're in paper trading mode, it will already be set to paper trading, meaning no real funds are involved. You'll also see options for email notifications about trades and errors. These can be helpful for tracking performance, but they can also become overwhelming, so enable them based on your preference. Managing funds is a critical part of the setup. The quote currency represents the asset your funds are held in. For example, if you hold Bitcoin, your quote currency is BTC. If you're holding USDT, and USDT is your quote currency. Once selected, click Change to apply it. Next, you'll choose which cryptocurrencies your bot is allowed to trade. Instead of selecting every available coin, it's better to focus on high market cap and liquid assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin. You'll also need to allocate funds for trading. If you have 1 BTC, but only want to use half of it, entering 0.5 BTC as the maximum allocated amount ensures the bot never exceeds that limit. Another important setting is the maximum number of open trades. A good starting point is allowing 5 to 10 simultaneous trades. For example, if you allocate 0.5 BTC and allow 10 trades, each trade would use around 0.05 BTC. You can also set a minimum trade amount to avoid placing extremely small orders. In the buy settings, you control how your bot enters trades. You can set a custom bid price, but for now, it's better to leave this empty and let your strategy decide. The maximum open time to buy setting ensures buy orders don't stay open forever. Setting this to around 10 minutes is a solid default. You can also limit the number of open positions per coin. For example, if you allow 10 total trades and are trading 5 coins, setting a 20% limit ensures no more than 2 trades per coin. You can decide whether to allow multiple orders per coin, but for simplicity, we'll allow only 1 open trade per coin. Enabling positive pairs only, make sure the bot only buys when market momentum is positive, reducing the risk of buying into a downtrend. Finally, to prevent overtrading, it's a good idea to set a cooldown period between trades. A 10-minute cooldown works well. After that, you'll see the sell strategy options. These include toggles such as selling based on strategy, which allows the bot to follow predefined conditions before exiting a trade. There's also an option to only sell at a profit, which prevents trades from being closed at a loss, and another option to hold assets when the new target is the same. This helps avoid unnecessary trades when the price is moving within a narrow range. To protect yourself from large losses, enabling a stop loss is highly recommended. You can set a stop loss percentage, for example at 10%, which means the bot will sell the asset if the price drops 10% below the buy price. There's also a stop loss timeout option, which delays execution and helps avoid selling due to short-term price fluctuations. A more advanced and dynamic option is the trailing stop loss. This feature is designed to secure profits as the price moves upward. When enabled, it follows the price as it rises, and only triggers a sell if the price pulls back by a defined percentage. For example, if the trailing stop loss is set to 1% and it's armed at 2%, the bot will activate trailing once the price moves 2% above the buy price. It will then only sell if the price drops 1% from its highest point. This allows profits to grow while still protecting against reversals. There are also additional options here, such as setting a timeout to prevent premature exits, using trailing stop loss exclusively instead of take profit, resetting the stop loss after failed orders, and restricting sells to only when a profit is secured. Another feature you'll see is auto close. This automatically closes a position after a specific amount of time. While this can help exit trades that aren't moving, it can also lead to unnecessary losses if the market simply needs more time to recover, so it should be used carefully. For traders who use short positions, Cryptohopper also includes shorting settings. These allow you to configure how short trades are managed and optimized depending on your strategy. You'll also find the option for dollar cost averaging, or DCA. With DCA, the bot increases its position size on a losing trade in order to lower the average entry price. This can increase the chances of recovering losses when the price rebounds, but it also increases exposure, so it should be used thoughtfully. Once all these settings are configured, click Save to finalize your base configuration. At this point, your bot is fully set up and ready to begin simulated trading. Now let's move on to the Marketplace section in Cryptohopper. The Marketplace offers a wide range of tools and resources designed to enhance automated trading. Here, users can browse templates, strategies, and signals to improve their overall trading experience. Templates are pre-built bot configurations that allow you to quickly set up a bot without manually adjusting every setting. Strategies define how a bot analyzes market trends and executes trades, and they can be either pre-built or fully customized. Signals come from external providers and help bots decide when to buy or sell based on real-time market data. Copybots allow users to replicate the trading strategies of experienced and successful traders, while portfolio bots help automatically diversify investments across multiple assets. In the Apps section, you'll find additional tools and integrations that further expand trading capabilities. Gift cards can be used to purchase or redeem Cryptohopper services, and the Deals section highlights promotions, discounts, and limited-time offers. Overall, the Marketplace is a valuable resource for both beginners and advanced traders, offering easy access to pre-configured tools that can significantly improve trading efficiency. In general, Cryptohopper provides a powerful and user-friendly platform for automated crypto trading. It allows traders to execute strategies without constantly monitoring the market. A strong trading setup usually includes a reasonable take-profit level, proper stop-loss and trailing stop-loss settings to manage risk, and the use of signals and indicators to improve trade timing. Incorporating dollar cost averaging for risk management and regularly optimizing strategies based on market conditions can further enhance performance. By combining all of these elements, traders can aim to maximize profits while keeping risk under control, making Cryptohopper a solid choice for both new and experienced users in the crypto space. Cryptohopper also offers multiple pricing plans to suit different needs. The free Pioneer plan includes unlimited copybots, portfolio management, and manual trading with up to 20 open positions per exchange. The Explorer plan, priced at $24 per month when billed annually, adds features like market scanning, backtesting, and a strategy designer, supporting up to 80 open positions. The Adventurer plan costs $57.50 per month and increases the number of open positions to 200, while also improving strategy intervals and scanning power. The Hero plan, priced at $107.50 per month, includes advanced features such as AI strategies, arbitrage tools, extra technical indicators, and support for up to 500 open positions and 65 portfolio bots. Whether you're just getting started or you're an advanced trader, Cryptohopper offers flexible options to match different trading styles and experience levels. Click the link in the description to start for free and explore the full potential of the platform.